We've heard what KEMSA is doing to improve drug supply. We've heard how we've moved from 40% to 90% in terms of availability of the drugs which have been requisitioned. But there is need for more work around KEMSA. And one of the suggestions that came from His Excellency the President, and I have repeated it here, is that the system which KEMSA is calling integrated something, medical, what is that MLIS something? Integrated, give him the mic. Integrated logistics.
Integrated Logistics Management Information System.
That system is good, but it must be interoperable with the data, the medical data under DHA. Because it's about supplying commodities for this system. So you cannot have all the other data separately in this data. The two systems must speak to each other. And that should happen sooner than later. And in the next IBEC, which is on Monday, or maybe the next one, some of the things we agree here, we should pick them up so that we start running with them. So about commodity supply, commodity logistics, we've made some progress. KEMSA was in disarray in 2022. We gave them 1.5 billion. We got them a line of credit of 10 billion, and we are happy with the good work that is ongoing there. But there is more work to be done around health commodities availability. But we have also 922, the National Ambulance Dispatch Center, an emergency number to provide ambulance services to patients who have emergencies, who have medical emergencies. You get the ambulance. First of all, the number is toll-free. That 922 is toll-free. Secondly, it should link you to the nearest available ambulance. And we must make sure the ambulance is available in good time to save lives. But also it is attached, that package is attached to emergency treatment. The first 24 hours of emergency treatment should not be pegged on anything. Whether someone has a cover under SHA or not, they must be stabilized as now they get registered into SHA and other things follow. So again, around commodity and medical logistics, the ambulances, the commodity availability of drugs and so forth is work in progress. Those are the 5 things: the people, the legal and institutional framework, the workers, the personnel, the equipment, medical equipment, and then the health commodities and logistics. With one enabler, those 5 things, we are fine-tuning them as we fine-tune the main enabler of those 5 pillars of our UHC is going to be digitization.